Hello and welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this example, we're going to take a look at the COUNTA function. COUNTA, as compared to count, will count all of the used cells in a range, whereas count will only count the numeric values. COUNTA will count the used cells irrespective as to whether those cells contain numbers or text. So I've got a list of customers in column A, and I'd like to keep a running count of how many customers I have. So I'm going to enter a formula in cell D1. We'll do equals count open paren, and I'm going to reference the entirety of column A, and that's because I may add additional customers later. So I don't want to just go, A1 to A4 or A2 to A4. I want to have that count function include any values added to that column. Now you'll see the result initially says 4, and that's actually incorrect. There are 4 used cells in the column, but only 3 of those cells reflect customer names because one of them is the column header. So with the COUNTA function in an example like this, we'd want to put a -1 on the end of the formula so that it adjusts for the header cell. So now it reflects 3 like we would want, and so if I add additional values, we see that it continues to count up. So that is the COUNTA function. I hope you found it useful. Please check in soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.